What's up, y'all? It's your boy Shelton, and I'm back with another fire-ass episode of Wake and Bake Inc. We got an unboxing. Stay tuned, y'all. It's coming up. What's up, y'all? So I showed you the package that I opened for the press, for the hash press. I didn't get a chance to show you the package for my bags, for the hash bags, because my neighbor stole the bags, and I had to recover them. But we got another box here, and we're getting ready to open this up. So let's get y'all over here. Get y'all over there. Get you down here like that. All right. So I'm gonna open this up for you real quick here. See what we got in here. An unboxing. Yes, sir. Looking kind of uncoordinated opening this box up though. So we're gonna get it though. Just give me a second. All right. I'm gonna take that out. Bomb, don't need that. One moment, please. All right, I had to get y'all situated. And what do we have here? Okay. Get that out of here. Bomb, don't need that. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a Bubble-Lator. My hash making machine. Oh yeah, baby. We finna make some hash up in here, y'all. Okay. We got some 5-gallon zipper bags. I'm pretty sure they go in here. These are 5-gallon bags too. You see the screens on the bottom of them. Okay. Then we got a little hose right here. I have no idea what any of this shit does, you guys, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna read it and figure this shit out. Because I didn't buy this just for no reason. It's pretty clean too, look. The thing right here. Okay. Alright, you guys, well, I'm gonna go figure this out. I'll be back with you in a minute. Alright, it appears to be pretty simple. Let's see what we got here real quick. Just to see if it works. Oh. Take the stuff off first. Let's see what we got here. Okay. We spinning in there. Okay. All right, y'all. So as soon as I get enough trees, then I go ahead and make some hash, baby.